Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. This is the vanity that I was raving about in my Maya Organics Twist Out video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you all the details on this vanity. Prices and names and where I got these things from will be linked in the description box below. But if you're interested in seeing how I put this together and more of the final product, just stay tuned.
Just think about it right now.
I do want to say that this desk definitely tested my strength. So if you have somebody that can help you put it together, I would definitely recommend that. I did not bring this desk into my apartment by myself because, baby girl, I could not. So if you have somebody that's willing to help you, definitely have them do that because I think it will be easier and the process will go by faster.
Have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging,
So one thing I don't like about this desk is that the directions don't come with words. They basically just have pictures that show you how to do everything, which makes it difficult. One thing that makes it even harder is that the screws aren't labeled, they just have numbers. So what I did to better help me during this process was separate all the screws and group them by the number so that when I was looking at the directions, it would be easy for me to grab whichever screw I needed. So the first step, I believe, was to put the big drawer together, or the drawers together, and I didn't realize that they were wanting you to do both at the same time. So I ended up putting the small drawer in last, and I do show you all how I do that on camera. One thing that makes this process go by way easier is having an electric screwdriver. So I bought this a long time ago because I thought it was an electric drill, and I just kept it because I was like, I don't feel like returning it, and it did really come in handy with this process. Yeah. Overall, from start to finish, I think this project took me about 3 hours. Like I said, the directions were kind of confusing. I ended up having to go back and change some stuff around because I didn't put it in the right way. So what I would say is just take your time. Don't get frustrated if you have to go back and redo something because the directions can be a little confusing if you prefer directions that have words in them. Like for instance, these little knob thingies that I'm the hinges that I'm putting on the door right now, I ended up having them on the wrong way, so the door wouldn't close correctly. So I ended up having to go back and redo that, but it wasn't a big deal. Like I said, it took me about 3 hours altogether, so you just have to have patience when you're doing this vanity. So this is the final result of the vanity. I love the way it turned out. I wish you guys could see the lights in person because they are much brighter than what they appear on camera. Just some things that I wanted to know about the lights. So they weren't big enough for me to wrap around twice all the way, but I did have enough for me to put 2 strips, if you can see that, 2 strips of lights on the top one. So in order to do this, if you want the extra lights on the top, you just start on the top first, and then once you make your way around, you'll have enough for that. Another thing to know is that the lights don't curve perfectly, so you'll have something that looks like that, which isn't too bad. The lights are dimmable, so we turn it all the way down and then you know you turn it all the way up. This little tray I got from Amazon. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory, and these are from the Dollar Tree. And basically what I did was took some E60 glue or E6000 glue. I took some E6000 glue and I glued these on top of each other. So I'm going to go back to Dollar Tree and get some more of those. And then my drawers, I just put the stuff in there randomly. This honestly gives you a whole bunch of space if you have a bunch of makeup. I have some of my hair products down here because I start doing my hair at my vanity now since I got it. These are also from Dollar Tree. They were in like the little wedding section by all the trays and stuff, so I thought that would be good for my drawer. If you guys don't know anything about me, you'll soon learn that I like organization. I hate stuff just being all over the place, so these are good. Dollar Tree has a lot of good organization that you all can go and buy if you're thinking about getting a vanity. I also got this from Dollar Tree. It was in the kitchen section. It's for like the spices and stuff like that. Vanity is that it's big enough for the space that I'm in, so I really wanted to put it right here next to my wall because I knew that it would be enough space. They also have a vanity that's smaller. It doesn't have this little extra portion, so it just has this large desk, and it's $50. So I was going to get that, but I just wanted something a little bit bigger to hold like all of my extra makeup and hair products. So I do like that they have the option for a big desk and a small desk. So that's the way that you can achieve a vanity that's under $100 is if you get the smaller desk, because this one was $80 and the small desk is $50. Yeah, so I just wanted to mention that. I love the white. I think they also have a black option, but I'm not sure. But almost everything in my room is white, like everything in my room is white, so I just wanted to keep going with that theme. I am looking for a clear chair that I can put right here. So as for now, I'm just using one of the ottomans that were in my living room. I really love how this vanity turned out. Really affordable. So if you're looking for something that's going to be cute but also not break the bank, this is definitely the option for you. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see and talk to y'all on my next one. Bye.